Hey everybody, thanks for checking in. Excited that you are here. I was reminded a couple days ago about how important my GPS is to me. I mean, it's built for people like me, right? People like me, meaning that I can't remember the last place that I was 2 seconds ago. Anyway, back when I was a child, we used to have to go to AAA, like the actual building, AAA, and get a map, and then the travel agent would map out with a yellow highlighter the track that we're going to take. So if we're going on vacation or wherever to take, and then highlight the little exits so we'd always know where we were going. So if our goal was to get to Florida or to get to wherever, if that was our goal, then we would know what process we're going to, what path we're going to take, what process we're going to take, how we know we're making progress, and what success would look like. And I hear a lot about acronyms. I use them a lot in my coaching because I believe in the power of being able to implement something and then just habitually, just practicing every single day, and the power in that. So GPS. So GPS to me, similar to the map, and even when I put it in a destination, GPS to me is identifying that goal. What is that goal? So for you, for this week, for today, for whatever it is for you, what are those goals that you have? What is a goal? A goal, just a, one goal you have. Okay, so that's step one. That's the G. The P, you can do this one of two ways. I still haven't made up my mind yet, but progress, how are you going to track progress? Like, what does progress look like for you as you're working towards this goal? Or what is the process you're going to take to establish what the progress is towards your goal? So we got G, P, now S. S, what would success look like to you if you accomplished that goal? Right? So what would success look like to you if you accomplished that goal? I thought it'd be fun to kind of do a little role play. Are you ready? Are you with me? Okay, let's do a little role play. Ready? Hey Jeff, thanks for checking in with me. So what is your GPS? What is your goal? Jeff, I'm really glad that you asked me that. So my goal is I want to create content that is helpful to people and helps people grow and really pushes their performance to a new level. So whether it's in work or relationships or whatever that is, whatever that goal is, to kind of help drive them that way. As a performance coach, I want to put out content that is helpful to people. Oh, that's awesome, man! People are that's very cool, Jeff. So, what's going to be your process to doing that? How are you going to know you're working towards your goal and you're making progress? Yeah, that's a great question. Yeah, so how I'm going to make progress is I know that if I'm making content and I'm finding different ways and helpful ways of helping people, then it'll get out there to people, and then maybe people will share it, maybe people will reflect on it and actually take action. But I know as I make content that's making progress, because every single thing, it's not going to be perfect, it's not going to be flawless, but it is going to make progress because I'm doing it. That's a wonderful example. What about S? So we got GPS, we got your goal, we got that you're going to be, making content and sharing content. How do you know you're being successful at this goal? Boy, I really like that question. I really like that question of knowing what success looks like. So success to me would mean that you are seeing this right now. So if you're seeing this right now, that means I set my goal. It means I'm making progress because I'm creating content, hopefully helpful to you and beneficial to you to help you out in your performance, whatever that is. And as long as that's happening, then I'm making progress towards my goal. And success to me is that you're seeing it, that you're absorbing it, that you're actually applying any of it, and that you're finding it beneficial and value added to you. And my cue is that helicopter coming right now. So I'm going to sign out. But I thank you for watching. I thank you for checking in. What is your GPS? Jot that down. Drop me a note. Let me see how I can help. Let me see how I can provide value to you, because you matter. And I appreciate you. Jeff, you want to say anything? No? Go get him.